Hey, Mal Mason coming at you from Iron Plan Solutions Group with another episode of Mason Money Talks. Today, I want to tell you guys about a provision of the CARES Act. That's something that was put together in the reaction to the COVID legislation, stimulus, etc. I've attached in this video, I've attached the CARES Act booklet that we prepared here at Iron Plan Solutions Group for your review. But additionally, and this is the part that's very important that I want to go over with you. One of the provisions is you can access your tax deferred retirement accounts without penalty, up to $100,000, and take 3 years to pay the tax back. For those of you who are familiar with a Roth conversion, that is a Roth conversion done over 3 years. Primarily, it's the same thing, but the most important part is you avoid that 10% penalty. Everybody should be thinking about doing Roth conversions with any qualified money they have or retirement money, because taxes most certainly are going to have to go up if we continue to borrow money at the speed at which we're borrowing it. That's just common sense.
137 million?
Yes, and if I don't pay up, I'll go to jail for tax evasion. I'm crazy enough to take on Batman, but the IRS, no, thank you.
So if you have the opportunity while you're working to go ahead and pay taxes on that money and never pay taxes again and convert it to a Roth, that would make a lot of sense, I think. If you would like, we've also attached an example of what the difference is in taxes if you leave it in a qualified plan or if you convert it. I think you'll find that it's 5 times better to do the conversion on average. If you'd like your own illustration or calculation, you can certainly email me at mal@myironplan. I'll be glad to do that for you at no cost or obligation whatsoever. It's just that good of information. It's the best education that we can give you when it's going to be 5 times as much tax on your money if you don't make the conversion.
It's not fun to what?
It's the worst part of the game.
Oh, it's what?
Taxes.
Another option, if you don't want to make the conversion, and you can do that with your bank, your broker, whoever. This is not about you doing it with Iron Plan Solutions Group. It's about what you're going to get to put in your pocket. So the other option is, and this one also makes a lot of sense, if I could take $100,000 out of my 401k and pay off all my debt, and all I had to pay back was whatever your taxes are on that each year, for a guy in a 22% tax bracket, we just did one. That's about $6,000 a year in taxes for 3 years. And he paid all his debt off. He was paying $7,000 a month in debt. We saved him $84,000 a year.
You serious?
Anyway, at the end of the day, it may be a good option for you. You know, if you want to reach out to us here at mal@myironplan.com or www.myironplan.com, feel free to do that. But certainly check out the links below. And like I said, if you want your own calculation, let me know. We'll be glad to do it. Okay, I hope all that helps you with your money. Take care of yourself and be safe.